idea behind the whole neon wall of greetings was that no matter where you come from, which country or what language you speak, you are welcome here at iUniversity. I think this wall is a true testament to what I stands for, that is diversity and entrepreneurship. I met some of the professors and people at iUniversity who then connected us to relevant people, and then we pitched the idea to them that we want we are in this business where we make neon signs, and we want to do something like that in the Velasquez building or even at the I Tower, and then they connected us to the architect of the I Tower. We have never shipped before this any signs out of India before, and this was a really big project for us as a business as well, and it was not easy. We had a lot of issues, but I has provided exceptional support throughout. We had this place at our house that we always wanted to decorate with a neon sign. We were looking for suppliers or any other Instagram page or any company who can make neon signs for us, but we really couldn't find any. But we were so desperate to have it that we thought we would DIY it and make it ourselves. We saw potential in the market because there was not anyone doing it in India as of then, and we just launched it as a small Instagram page, and we got very good traction and very good response organically from the people who were organically searching for neon signs. We then sort of built on it more, and as soon as we launched the website in January 2021, the kind of traction that we received was unprecedented. In just a few weeks, we were ranked top 1% of all the stores that were launched. It is then when we realized that we actually made it. I already have started the business before I joined IE, like just a few months back. So I think it played a really important role in not just figuring it out how to establish it properly, but also how to scale it and also correct me in the things that I was doing completely wrong. Because it was also my first time, I did not have any experience in doing this before. And the best part is that I could implement all the learnings into the business and see how it performs. I think the kind of support that I provided us, it was really, really helpful. And it also proves the point that the university really values entrepreneurs and will go an extra mile to support you. We also sort of realized that we've achieved what we wanted to do, because we hear from my friends, my colleagues, and from professors that whenever they see hello in their language, here they sort of feel proud and represented. I think the course, because it was also Masters in Management, I was also surrounded by so many young, diverse group of people who have selflessly helped me so much and brought their own ideas and wanted to just help me. That was really great.